Alright, so I'm here with Certificate. We're heading out and doing a short hike. I don't even know how long it is.
Short.
Easy hike. We're testing out her new knee. Not new, but she had surgery, so we're seeing if she can rehabilitated knee. And so this is her first trip back out on the trail. And so we'll see how it works. Talk to you soon.
Go hike.
Go hike. Amphitheater here in Paris Mountain. I guess they have music in the woods. They all have bands and people come out and just sit and enjoy the music and the scenery. And it's Certificate. So it's probably in the high 50s today. So it's a little overcast today. But it actually feels really nice. I've actually was wearing a fleece zip-up jacket and had to take it off because it's just too hot. So yeah, probably high 50s, but absolutely gorgeous. It's been a nice hike despite having to dodge all the cyclists that can ride their bikes on these trails. But pretty nice, pretty nice. So it's been a quick up and back. Looks like the knee is holding up pretty well. So yes, ma'am. Sorry. Here, let me do this. There. So I think the first hike out was a success, although we aren't back completely yet. Yes, that's right. Jury's still out, but so far so good. Smells like gear. I think I want one of each.